As investors, are you confused between investing in stock SIP and mutual fund SIP? Financial expert Mr. Sandeep Singhi will give you clarity.
Okay, I'll give you a simple answer to this. Say, for example, if you have invested into a stock SIP, what is the uh, chance that the money would be lost? It is 100% chance, because if the company goes bankrupt, you have lost your entire money. What is the probability of the shares which mutual funds are holding will go bankrupt? Is there a case that entire holding of about say 10, 20, 30 scripts will go bankrupt? It is not the case. So risk adjusted return, probably mutual fund SIP is much better than a stock SIP.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.